DPDers, how's it going? Wanted to reach out to you today, some videos to share with you. You know, I've started hearing some folks asking me, trying to see the Mustang in action, see some go fast moves around some turns. So I want to showcase some of those videos and also talk about again my concerns with trying to get it set up properly to where I have the ultimate confidence when I'm taking out on the racetrack. You know, again, when you're going fast and you just don't know what's in the roadway, any bump, any undulation that could occur while you're racing going 100 miles an hour, you want to be fully confident that that car is going to stick to the ground. And so one of the things that I am trying to do is drive the car, and as it progresses through its journey, as much as possible. My other car has just been sitting week after week after week because I continue to get inside the Mustang, trying to learn its manual, trying to get as comfortable as possible with the car. Before you shoot a free throw in the game, you should shoot 1,000 free throws beforehand. And so, you know, we want to make everything that we do in the car old hat or just reactionary, you know, without thought. It's automatic. I can feel it. I can drive it through the seat of my pants. I know exactly what the car is about to do as it's doing it. And so the only way you can get to that point is just to drive it. You got to put as many miles as you possibly can. Again, this is a used vehicle. I don't care how many miles I put on this car. I'm going to put on the racetrack. Once it becomes a race car, the amount of miles that I'll be putting on the car itself will go way down. So, you know, don't have to worry about, you know, oh, I'm afraid I'm going to put 100,000 miles on this car. No, you know you won't. You know, once it's race ready, it's going to basically be a trailer queen. And so the amount of miles you'll put on these vehicles will be minimal. So put them on now. Get used to your car, whatever the car of your choosing, and so you can go as fast as possible around those turns. And so here's some videos. I hope you enjoy it.